Hello, this is James, amateur call sign Kilo Golf 5 Papa Tango Echo, coming to you from Belton, Texas, on Sunday, January 1st, 2023. Happy New Year's. I'm going to show you the problem I'm having with the new version of Ham Radio Deluxe. I'm going to be working with this Silicon Labs CP2110X USB to UART bridge COM3, which is my icom 7300 radio. So we're going to be trying to connect this radio using this COM port, 9600 baud. There's my settings. Power management, it's turned off. I've checked the radio's COM port. It's set for 9600 baud in the settings for data. So that's good. So here we go. We launch our Ham Radio Deluxe. Let me find it here. So I move some things around. Here it is, up here, right there. Ham Radio Deluxe. And there's the newest release. All right, here we go. 9600 baud, COM3, icom 7300. We verified the COM port, COM3, right there. All right. I have no idea what that CIV add is. All I know is I choose my radio. There's my serial ports. We know we're going with COM3. New. COM3, and what it tells me is it can't read the frequency. Connect, and let's watch what it does here. Reading frequency. It's a thinking. And before I upgraded today to this new version, I never had this problem. Reading frequency, can't read frequency. There's your X's. And it gives up. And it will do the same thing with the icom, with the Yaesu 991A. It does the same thing if I try to connect it using the same baud rate, 9600. The cut rate set for 9600 on the radio, the COM port set for 9600. It will not connect.